Hi everyone, welcome to our creative channel. Fine art classes help children deal with problems like anxiety and low mood, providing them confidence when they accomplish the tasks and learn new mediums. When a child's self-esteem is boosted up, he or she becomes more disciplined and stays positive in all fields of life. Also, participation of young children in art workshops and seasonal camps grants them a situation where they learn to function firmly and endeavor to give their best. This in turn teaches them to incorporate constant thought processes in their daily routine life as well. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.